Hore ba tla dira mo kgweding Brendan ke na ba khela Thabo a ba romela le telele thula ka tlhogo bona Mojela jo motshameki wa manobo wa Kaizer Stars Piers Galaxy Khatana ho the Wetlands le tono lo Mojela o dirile jalo manobo mo motshamekong wa tsika makgaola khanga Hanusano ho bua dira jalo Hanusano ke gore ile kare ona le thatlelo tse di bokete tse di telle ga dumele mona ba ka go Spain Brendan Thabo Molaisane a romela ka tlhogo mona yo le 100 de yong a itjaka mokana ngwane le ka wona le tlhono lo Mojela ya bo ithitshwa ke selo se reno se fela ya bo ya tlana le letloa ya bona gore one the Stellis another point Somatlabe Orlando Pirates Kankutsweye etswela pele
but denied by Stevens! It's smashed back into the back of the net by Salin. Pirates pull one back before half time. Now he's been involved in everything positive about Orlando Pirates here in this first half, Salin. They felt their moment was coming as they were willing this Pirates side forward. 12 men certainly playing in sports. And there's still a lot of football to be played in this final. Fireworks at the Moses Peter Stadium. Hutto keeps it on target, too hard to hold on to. Saleh smashes it home. Did well in following up with the strike to Saleh. And in the end, they were in all sorts of trouble. Stellenbosch, once that save was made and it fell for Saleh.
Orlando Pirates in Usite. Wateragani unala ritapala. Bata kilega Monaco. Atamiki va stopasa. Stellenbosch kama dumele. Ritatoka kuibona kape. Salaba keteka Boyan Somatlabe. Esimnyama sanga makapula. Abongile Tom, wekwadile abongile Tom. Kabakita ba itumela tla tsosa dipuo. Bona ga motsa mo iketilenga. Motseraganyo la ditsephala. Ba itlhoma ka gangwe. Ba itlosa. Onile botlhale re lebohile mo Fokenga a ithoma ka gangwe a bona tshegofatso mabasa a tsa kgwele ya tshego a bo kwa tshwanetseng go nna gone a bo mo letloenga ya bona gore Orlando Pirates 1 Stellenbosch Banile boroko the Stellis ba ba tshwanetse go ka sireletsa kgwele pele ga sengwe le sengwe fela Orlando Pirates ba tshameki ba bone ba nile botlhale ba dira ka bonnako wa go fetsa motsereganyi a re bone Jaden Adams le beletse a bongile Tom ga le motshameke bona a re tla bona no ye wefa bona go fedi ya boraro re la buina mo Fokenga ya boemelela Moses Mobida the cup specialist o tswela pele re lebohile wa e fetsa ke gore le kare bana tsela tsoko bankeng khalagantse go direla jalo ka tlole Mamelodi Sundowns.
Well, happy to report that not a soul has moved from the stands. It's still a packed Moses Mapida Stadium here, waiting for the cherry on top of what has been a great day indeed. All the Pirates players have received their medals now. The officials on, and well, here's the moment to choose. Innocent Mayala, the last of the Pirates players to have gotten up onto the podium, lifts the mtn8 trophy for the 2024 champions. That, of course, Orlando Pirates. Won it 3 times in a row. They've won it 13 times in total now of Orlando Pirates, having won the initial 2 back in 1972 and 1973. They've now won the last 3. The mighty Buccaneers, buccaneering on against what was a tough Stellenbosch side, a memorable evening out at Etegwini in the kingdom of the Zulu. And once again, it's Pirates with a great start to the season that hope to continue in this vein under Jose Ribeiro. 5 out of 5 for him, and Orlando Pirates will be celebrating long into the Turban Night. From us in Coventry, it's a very good evening to you, and we hope you've enjoyed this final here. Back to the guys in the studio, and back to the celebrations here at Etegwini.